Hi, I'm Jason Turner with Camfil Air Filtration. I'm here today with my colleague John Holmes, Air Filtration Specialist with Camfil. Today we're in beautiful London, Ontario, downtown at EuroPro, London City Centre. We're here today with Barry Robbins, who's the Chief Engineer or Head Operator for London City Centre. And today John is going to present the NAFA Award, the NAFA Clean Air Award, to Barry on behalf of NAFA and Camfil.
Thanks, Jake. Absolutely. We worked together as a team over the last year or so with Barry and the team here at EuroPro. Barry, why don't you walk us through what it took to get to where we are today?
All right. I did some courses, got my NCT certification with NAFA. We upgraded to Camfil high flow ES bag filters, and we added gaskets to all of the filter banks.
Awesome. It sounds like clean indoor air is very important to you and the team here at London City Centre, so everyone can take a breath of fresh air. So congratulations on achieving the award.